Spanish chicken with chorizo. And you can do either or. Brown the chicken first or brown the chorizo first. It doesn't matter. We have to talk about the chicken, by the way, bone in, skin on, 4 breasts cut across, and 4 thighs. Why do I cut the chicken breasts in half? Because I want like shapes and sizes. That means even cooking. Now look at this particular chorizo. This is like kielbasa. And this type of chorizo is near the kielbasa and hot dogs in your grocery store. And it is totally edible when you take it out of the package, but we all cook it out a little bit and brown it, just like you would a kielbasa. And it comes mild or hot. So we have 1 package of that. And as I brown, I'm just putting it right on top of the chicken so all the juice and flavor marries. And look how much dripping I have. We're gonna put the potatoes right in that. What potatoes, Rach? You didn't even cook potatoes. Well, I did. I parboiled a couple of pounds of Yukon Gold. So 2 handfuls. You know, we're feeding 4 people tonight, so I took 4 medium to large Yukon Golds, and I peeled them, and I parboiled them just 4 minutes. Just before I add the potatoes and all these drippings, I add an onion, some crushed garlic, and some shallots. 2 shallots, 1 large onion, a few cloves of crushed garlic, couple tablespoons of fresh thyme, and 2 bay leaves. Very simple. Very simple, this dish. So flavorful and so silly simple. So we're gonna get all of that liquid to come out of the onions and the shallots by adding a little sprinkle of salt. If you want this super mild to mildly spicy, Aleppo. If you wanted a little tangier and zippier, Espelette. Honey, which one you want? I know what you're gonna say.
Tangier, spicier.
I know. You want Espelette. So a couple teaspoons of that. So some sort of chili. You pick the temperature of chili you like. And then we're gonna use smoked sweet paprika. Everybody can have this, no big deal. This is very mild and just smoky sweet peppers, ground up. I love piquillo peppers. You can chop these up, you can slice them up. I just like to serve them whole from a giant skillet once in a while because they're so beautiful. That's just in brine. This is not in oil. Now we're going to take a little wine. Rioja is not just red wine from Spain. You can also buy white Rioja. But you just want to add some wine, white or red, that you love, because you can drink the rest with dinner, and go a couple of turns around the pan, which will be about a cup, and we want that to reduce out a bit. So now our wine is reduced, and we're just going to add, about a cup or so of chicken stock or chicken bone broth. We're going to add some fire-roasted tomato, and all we need to do now is kind of tuck everything back in an artful way, or like that, in one slide. Artful, come on. It's just dinner, right? So we'll mix this in first, and then we'll try and add the potatoes. You want these nice sliced bits with still some bite to them, mixed throughout the dish. Okay, guys, so here we go with our simple chicken in one pan dinner. I am just burning bread. So we're just gonna take our charred bread, which I put right over the gas flame, you can put it under your broiler, and we're gonna rub it with some cut garlic. This is just a loaf of ciabatta. We're gonna put that down, and we're gonna drizzle fancy EVOO over it. This is the green, grassy tasting EVOO. I'm gonna get some flaky sea salt. And here we go, just with a little grassy flat leaf parsley on top. And of course, our dipping bread to go alongside. So there you go, kids. There is the Spanish chicken and chorizo and the charred bread.